This is a basic introductory video on how to hang your paintings at home. First step is to find the exact spot you want your painting to go. Usually, this is based on the center of the painting. You may want your painting centered to be placed at eye level, or perhaps you want to center the painting between your ceiling and a piece of furniture. Next, we're going to calculate the height where your screws will go into the wall. This simple calculation is the height of the focal point, say 150 centimeters from the ground for eye level, or perhaps higher if there's a couch in the way. Then measure the height of the painting and add half of that to the eye level height. In this case, this artwork is 150 centimeters, so let's add half of that, 75, to our 150. Then we minus the distance from the top of the painting to the wire or D-ring or stretcher bar in the back of the artwork, so that it will sit on the screw. In this case, it's 7 centimeters. So 150 plus 75 minus 7 equals 218. Mark the height position with your level on the wall. Next is screwing into the wall. First, it's important to know what type of wall you have, since brick and plaster walls require very different wall plugs. Timber walls and surfaces usually don't need any plugs. Drill your holes and then screw into the wall on the spot where we just marked. Sam is using plaster plugs and an electric drill. The final step is hanging the artwork. Smaller artworks can hang onto a wire in one screw on the wall, but larger artworks require at least 2 screws. Don't be a hero. If the painting is wider than your arm span, get a friend or loved one to help lift it into position. It's always good to check the level of your artwork and make any slight adjustments needed. Now it's just time to sit back and enjoy your handiwork.